Jaguar is all set to undergo a significant transformation in the near future as it shifts its production focus from saloons and sports cars to SUV. The decision marks the end of an era for models such as XE, XF, and F-Type, which will cease production in a matter of weeks at the Castle Bromwich factory in Birmingham. With the impending retirement of these models, Jaguar's lineup will consist of SUVs only such as I-Pace, E-Pace, and F-Pace, which will remain in sale to 2024. This strategic move reflects Jaguar's response to evolving market trends and its commitment to align the customer offerings. The transition signifies a new chapter for Jaguar, which plans underway to introduce a range of electric vehicles starting in 2025. Amongst the forthcoming models, a 600 bhp electric 4-seat GT car poised to rival competitors like Porsche Taycan. This will be followed by the luxury SUV and a large saloon, all built on Jaguar's bespoke JEA platform, signaling a departure from the current lineup. Despite the discontinuation of the XE, XF, and F-Type, customers can still have an opportunity to order these models, albeit to its set specification until production ceases. Jaguar's North American CEO Joe assured that there will be continuous supply of these vehicles until the launch of new lineup, ensuring a seamless transition for customers.